Hello everyone, myself ASHISH Anand. Currently I am a part of 1 month data analytics internship program of Mentorness. The topic of my second project is NREGA Analysis using Power BI. Problem statement. NREGA is a vital initiative to alleviate rural unemployment and poverty. This project seeks to address several key questions and challenges associated with the NREGA. How effective is NREGA in providing employment opportunities to rural households? Are there regional disparities in the implementation and outcome of the scheme? What is the utilization of the allocated budget and how does it correlate with the employment generation? What are the key factors contributing to the completion of the NREGA works and are there any roadblocks to its success? Can data-driven insights guide policymaker and administrator in optimizing the scheme impact? This is the overview of our dataset. Since the data contain large number of columns, so it might not be clearly visible to you all. Now this is the list of all the columns present in our dataset. You can just pause the video and go through it once. This is the final dashboard of our project, which has been made using Power BI. First, I will tell you about the visualization I have used in making this dashboard. These our four are cards. This is a slicer, this is a map, this is a stacked column chart, this is a pie chart, and these two are donut chart. Now in the card we can see that the total budget which has been allocated to NREGA scheme is 2207 million and the total active worker is 175 million and total expenditure is 5.5 million and the total percentage is 1653 million. Now this is a map which represents the location of all the states that are present in our dataset. This is a stat column chart in which the x-axis represents the state and y-axis represents the total job card issued. So in this graph we can see that the Bihar has the highest number of total job card issued, followed by Uttar Pradesh, then West Bengal, then Maharashtra. Now let us understand this pie chart. Basically we have 175 million active worker, out of which 396k, that is 0.62%, is differently abled person and 54.2%, that is 35124k, is SC worker and 28903k, that is 44.86%, is ST worker. Now the total expenditure is 5.5 billion, out of which wages is 72.28%, material cost is 24.11%, and 2.04% is total ADM expenditure, 0.71% is category B work, and 0.1% is agriculture and agriculture allied work, and 0.35 is NRM expenditure, which is public plus individual. Now in this donut chart we can see that the total percent day is 1653, out of which 61.95% is woman percent day, 20.33% is SC percent day, and 17.7% is ST percent day. Now this slicer contains the state name, according to which we can select the state according to our choice and see the data related to that state. Suppose we select Bihar. Now if we select Bihar we can see that all the values have changed and all the values show the value of Bihar and we can analyze the data very easily. Insights. The state with highest job card issued is Bihar, followed by UP. The budget allocated for the labor under NREGA is 2207 million. Out of total active worker, that is 175 million, 44.86%, that is 29 million, are ST worker, 54.52%, that is 35 million, are SC worker, and 0.62%, that is 396k, are differently abled worker. Out of the total expenditure of 5.5 million, 72.8%, that is 4.02 million, is wages, 24.11%, that is 1.34 million, is material and skilled wages, and 2.04%, that is 1.34 million, is total ADM expenditure, and 0.01% is a category B work, 0.051 is agriculture and agriculture allied works, and 0.35% is NRM expenditure, public plus individual. And out of total percent day of 1653 million, 61.5% is a women percent day, and 20.33% is a SC percent day, and 17.7% is the ST percent day. Thank you.